tax. Back like you owe your 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 tax.
Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Deborah, aka Queen DTV, back at you with another video. So today I attempted to install this old frontal wig that I've had for a couple of years. I've never properly installed it, but today we attempted. I think it was a little bit of a fail. Like if I got a grade on this, it would be a D minus, not an F, but a D minus. But it's okay, it's my first time, so we're gonna keep learning. But if you would like to see how I did this look, go ahead and keep on watching.
I could blame it on the physical, I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall back, knew I'd always crawl back. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Cause baby, it's the everything for me, for me, for me. Baby, it's the everything for me, for me, oh, for me.
Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar coated. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie. What a lie.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not going where I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need myself, fuck my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. But I was lost now. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Wondering why, no you ain't shy,
All right, so I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all social media, which are linked down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces!
Just a back and